So, okay, welcome to the next edition of VGA updates on the dark word generator. Um, we did some updates there, trying to like make the page more dynamically look more professional to use. But let's go to the apps right here, and let's focus on something that we just talk about. With of all the pages here that you have here, and you can see you either have a video player or audio or a list inside of there. So a lot of demonstration was geared around that, but nothing is geared around like an actual page with written text. So because this page is still geared for people who in professional music business or audio, video to come over and quickly set up a page that will suit them. You we broaden our horizon with even adding stores, and we'll have actually other websites in there that you can use to do any type of business as well once it's all completed in the way that I want it. So we are just more concentrating on putting snips and a lot of different style templates inside it. Okay, so sticking with the traditional template that's in the program, and seeing that we have this music stuff right here and this music thing right here, we decided to get a matching page going towards that. So if an artist came in and did a featured page or just a bunch of songs on a page, he might want to have like a bio, right? So we are adding that. And okay, so I had something saved in the script board, and what I had saved in the script board, I just now dump that, and it's a 1-2. But that's allowed. I was saying I should call my program Click Play because we just copied. We bring the name up and we copied the bio text, and we said insert the text for us, and then we go here and said generate an HTML, and we clicked on view internally, and then we have this. Cool. So, and we can expand that more, right? Let's clear this. Let's view what we did. Let's grab a little snips of it right here. Right? And we can close that out right here. And we'll come to the top one right here. Song description, and then we'll do this. But now we got to make sure that here completely is selected and clear. Right? Now we're now working with the artist URL right now. That URL will go to the URL of the artist's original site. Okay, but we'll select a song and an image, the actual file. And we said, okay, give us a player, right? And now we'll go back and we can clear here, select and clear out of the way, and generate, and okay. So now we have a player, we have a bio on top and the player. So in other words, you can do it vice versa. You can start out by saying, let me put a player. Once you put the player, beneath it, you can put the bio, right? It's just to show you different ways. Now, because of the way it is, okay, let's get to some stuff here. We're going to get a little creative and show you how that you can then even create a gallery. So let's go to here. Okay. And let's select a picture. Like the poster picture, right? Okay. And we'll bring up this guy right here. Okay. Now we are adding to the program, right? An image, right? So, I mean, generally when we started out doing gallery and a bunch of stuff, you had to put in a tumble and a lot of stuff, and all that stuff is still there. But we have just these 1, 2 clicks that I'm clicking right here now. And I'm like, okay, let me go here and add another image. Okay, so I can close this out, and I can close this out. And we make sure that we clean out the last work that we're doing right here by selecting and clearing. We can generate back from here, and we can view. Okay, so now we had our bio player, and now we created a gallery, right? All right. So just a few things to show you how you can expand the page and do a nice artist page, one artist page, but you have your gallery. So therefore you have all your shows and stuff that you did. You can just have that in the bottom of the gallery. You might have a song that you're featuring, and things like that. We also have playlist players that we're still working on to integrate into the system, that you will come and make an audio player like this with a playlist, so you eventually can put your playlist in. So if you viewing now this video, thanks for following or watching what's going on, and a bunch of new stuff is happening. So we showed you the store page and video page, and now we actually just popped out a bio page at you, you know what I mean? And we can add a few more stuff to it. And keep coming to VG, watching our videos, and give us a like on YouTube, and like that, let us know that, hey, the video is up. Okay, thanks a lot. So we're gonna go and